Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market crash and what really happened yesterday. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you're new and smash that like button. We were in the green up until 1 p.m. Eastern yesterday. We were happy, everything was looking good, and then all of a sudden it started to fall apart. People were dumping everything they owned, and it did not even take that long to end up red, even after having a wonderful green start, and that after weeks. At some point, I thought that the market was finally recovering, and it's gonna do good, or like end up doing good by today, or close in greens for this week. But it did not even last long, not even a couple of hours. So what really caused this? Maybe you guys have already figured it out by now. The catalyst for the drop yesterday was Biden proposing that he is going to be doubling the long term capital gain tax. That is from 20% to 40%. Or more. For those making over a certain amount per year, they'll be end up paying more. And if you're living in New York, you might end up paying around 56%. And if you're living in California, that is 58% per year, and that's a lot of money. Imagine making $1 million and then paying 500,000 to $600,000 as tax. It's crazy. So wealthy Americans making in that $1 million tax bracket created the panic yesterday. And I'm not talking about selling a couple of hundred thousands here. I'm talking about selling millions. So in some ways, they were forced to sell or close their positions, and that created a selling pressure. And the retailers and us, people like you and me, we started to feel that pressure, and we started to sell some of our positions or take profit. Crypto market was hit hard yesterday, harder than the stock market. And it makes sense because crypto has made millionaires this year, multi-millionaires, because it was on that bull run. Not only Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the other altcoins you talk about, Cardano, even Algorand, Ripple, everything was on the top. So it really makes sense for them to sell their positions or take profit so that they don't have to end up paying a lot of money on taxes. If you guys track S&P 500 or uh, SPY, it was also down to 400 yesterday, but right now it's trading at $417, and it's the all-time high. I wasn't surprised that SPY was hit because it made all-time high recently. So uh, the pullback was normal. I'm trying to connect SPY to Bitcoin here, so that's why I had to mention SPY. Whenever SPY is up, all the other tech sectors like Apple, Amazon, Google, they go up. Whenever the SPY goes down, those companies they go down as well. It's the same in the crypto world. When the Bitcoin is doing well, all the other cryptocurrencies are doing well. And if the Bitcoin is not doing well, then all the other cryptocurrencies they go down along with Bitcoin. So for us to survive in the crypto world, all the other altcoins, the Bitcoin will have to do better, and Bitcoin will have to survive. Um, so talking about the market crash, guys, what do you think? Like, is the market crash is coming? Please let me know, dropping a comment down below. But if I have to answer that question, I think it is coming. Because it's because Feds they have printed trillions of dollars, and they have to get that money somehow to their banks. So how it's gonna happen? By increasing taxes, raising taxes, interest rate, and you can already see what Biden is proposing. I think we are only one Fed meeting away from the market crash. So you have to be prepared, guys, not surprised. You have to be mentally strong, and that is why I stress to buy or invest in something that you believe in. Because if it dips, then it's not going to hurt you. For me, I'm heavily invested in EV sectors, and my portfolio is bleeding. I'm not gonna lie, but I right now I do not care because I invested my money for 5 years. So I'm fine with it. It's down. When it's down, I buy the dip, and that's what I did. Everything down. I do the same in the cryptocurrency. I have Ethereum, Algorand, Ripple, Stellar, Cardano. I added some more yesterday. But here's the thing for me though. I know about the company and I know they're gonna do well in the future. So that's why I invested in it. So it's not going to hurt much, if the company is, if the cryptocurrency or the company is taking the hit. So that is why, guys, invest in something that you believe in. All right, guys, that is it for today's episode. If you guys like my content, please show your support by liking and subscribing my channel. I'll try to come up with new content. Till then, peace.